What's going on, guys? It's Mo here with Auto Addict. I hope you guys are having a good day today. We are super excited to have another 5.0 in the house, a 2019 Ford Mustang that we're gonna be adding a GT500 bumper. We're gonna fully paint it PPG paint and adding some awesome gloss black accents. What is it gonna be? Let's go ahead and start, guys, by disassembling the bumper and show you guys all the details before we go ahead and start this project. This is one of my favorite cars right now. As you can see, I love the silver that contrasted with the carbon fiber trunk that our client has. Shout out to you, Gabriel, for rocking this trunk. This trunk is extremely popular with us, guys, and we have a lot of pre-orders to fulfill for our clients. So if you want this extremely simple trunk that has a full-on ducktail integrated one-piece carbon fiber from Anderson Composites, let us know. We'll be more than happy to help you guys out. Also, his taillights are smoked out, giving his car a more aggressive look, and got that sharp license plate frame in carbon fiber. The dual exhaust tips as well. All right, guys, moving on to the side. Gabriel's rocking an awesome Stagger setup and Verada wheels in satin finish. These wheels are actually really cool. They look very similar to the ones that we added on our Mazda 6 that we bagged recently. So shout out to you, Gabriel, for rocking some awesome wheel brands that we support, and they're an awesome company that supports us as well. Without further ado, guys, let's go ahead and get on this car, clean it, prep it, take off the bumper, start prepping the new bumper that we're gonna be adding for Gabriel, and work on his gloss black accents. I'll see you guys when everything is completed. GT500 fully installed on the 5.0 Ford Mustang, giving Gabriel his build the mean aggressive stance that it deserved. This GT500 bumper was painted in two tones. As you guys see, all the inserts such as the bezel, the grille, the protection bar, the lip, even the plastic around the fog light, everything was painted PPG gloss black to give him that luxury sporty look that it deserved. On top of that, it was matched with the silver OEM based on the VIN number that we went off the paint code, and we painted it all around to highlight the bumper to match and blend in with the rest. This bumper is super aggressive, guys. One of my favorite bumpers to add when it comes to the Ford Mustang modification and styling. It definitely gives you a more aggressive look and a nice appearance on the front end. Did you guys know that this bumper is available to purchase directly through our website? The link will be posted below in the description for you guys to click on and purchase it. We offer full-on paint services, assembly services, and install. If you guys are not local in California to us, we also offer free shipping to you guys out of state to make sure you guys get the same exact bumper that Gabriel's rocking. I can't wait to show you guys what's next, but let's go ahead and highlight some more actions on this bumper and show you guys a full highlight with the full completed GT500 bumper and all the awesome mods that Gabriel added to his build. you guys have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, make sure you guys hit that sub button. We have so much content coming out for you guys. I can't wait to show you guys what's next. Hit that notification bell button so every time we post, you guys are fully alerted. And don't forget, if you like this bumper and you want to have it on your car, give this video a thumbs up. I can't wait to show you guys what's next, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. And in the black, gloss black roof wrap with the, I'm saying too much. This bumper is available to purchase straight and directly from our website. Description will be listed. The link will be listed. God. This bumper can be directly purchased from our website. The link will be posted in the description right below to you guys where you go ahead and what the hell am I saying?